A. Mumbai, B. New Delhi, C. Kolkata, Chennai. Answer B. New Delhi. What is the national animal of India? Elephant. B. Tiger, C. Lion, D. Cheetah. Answer B. Tiger. 3. What is the national bird of India? Parrot, peacock, C. Pigeon, D. Myna. Answer B. Peacock. 4. What is the national flower of India? A. Rose, B. Lotus, C. Marigold, D. Sunflower, and lotus. 5. How many colours are there in the Indian national flag? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Answer B. Earth and nature. 6. Who gives us light during the day? A. Moon, B. Sun, C. Star, D. Planet. Answer 7. Which natural object shines the brightest at night? A. Sun, B. Moon, C. Earth. Answer Moon. 8. With the help of what do plants make their food? A. Moonlight, B. Sunlight, C. Rain, sunlight. 9. How many colours are there in a rainbow? A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. Answer C. 7, 10. Why is Earth called the blue planet? A. Because it has a lot of water. B. Because it has only forests. C. Because it is covered with ice. D. Because it is made of blue material. Answer A. Because it has a lot of water. Animals and birds. 11. Who is called the king of the jungle? A. Elephant, B. Lion, C. Tiger, D. Bear. Answer B. Lion. 12. Which is the tallest animal? A. Elephant, B. Giraffe, C. Camel, horse. Answer B. Giraffe. 13. Which bird cannot fly? A. Parrot, B. Peacock, C. Ostrich, pigeon. Answer C. Ostrich. Which animal can live both on land and in water? A. Frog, B. Lion, C. Horse, D. Camel. Answer frog. 15. What do honeybees give us? Milk, B. Honey, C. Wooled eggs. At Science 16, which organ pumps blood in our body? Lungs, B. Heart, stomach, D. Brain. Answer heart. Which organ do we use to breathe? A. Eyes, nose, B. Nose, C. Ears, D. Hands. 18. What is the color of pure water? A. Blue, white, C. Colorless, black. Answer C. Colorless. 19. At what temperature does water freeze into ice? A. 10 degrees C, 50 degrees C, 100 degrees C, 100. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. Answer B. Carbon dioxide. Hashtag Sports 21. How many players are there in a cricket team? A. 9, C. 11, D. 12. Answer C. 22. What is used to play hockey? A. Bat, B. Puck, C. Ball, D. Ring. Answer C. Ball. Mathematics and reasoning 23. How many days are there in a week? A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 7. 24. How many months are there in a year? A. 10, B. 11, C. 12, 13. Answer C. 12. Which is the biggest? A. Ant, B. Elephant, C. Cat, D. Rabbit. Answer B. Elephant. Mixed GK 26. What does the red traffic signal mean? Go, B. Stop, C. Slow down, D. Turn. Answer B. Stop 27. Which star is at the center of our solar system? A. Moon, B. Sun, C. Mars, Jupiter. Answer B. 28. What is the main use of a computer? A. Information and calculation, B. Cooking food, C. Washing clothes, D. Farming. Answer A. Information and calculation. What is Earth's natural satellite? A. Mars, B. Moon, C. Venus, D. Sun. Answer Moon. 30. Why should we plant trees? They help keep the air clean. B. They only provide shade. C. They only give fruits. D. They are not necessary. Answer A. They help keep the